After a lot of leaked information, Google has officially confirmed the launch of the upcoming Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Along with that, we learned some information such as the new Tensor chip, the design of the devices, and even some of the software features that Google is launching with the two devices. Along with that, we have also seen the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro wallpapers have been leaked. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what those wallpapers look like, as well as give you a download link so that you can grab these for your device. So the first thing you may notice is that a lot of these are going to be using the camera display cutout. They have been incorporated into the wallpaper itself. For instance, this picture of a diver is titled Deep Sea, and it puts the camera cutout right up at the top where the head of the diver would be. Then we have the Karaoke wallpaper, which puts the camera cutout right in the microphone. After that, we have the Match Point wallpaper, which shows a tennis player and uses the camera cutout as the tennis ball. Followed up by the Flash wallpaper, which uses the camera cutout for the actual camera of the person using to take a photo. That's followed by the Street Art wallpaper for the Google Pixel 6, which is using the tip of the spray can as the camera cutout. And then we have the Cherry Cone wallpaper, which puts it right at the top of the cherry stem. We have Fruits, Watermelon Falls, and then Thirst Quencher. Last up, we have a Wandering Musician. I'm sure we'll be learning more and more about the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro as time goes on. The company has said they're aiming for a fall launch. And we know how Google is with announcing features before the actual release date. So you'll find the download link for these wallpapers in the video description below. I'll go ahead and include a link in the top right corner right here too. So feel free to download these and apply them to your Android device. These work really well right now with Android 12 and the Material U system. And we're able to try these out right now before the release of these two devices.